Good morning, students. Students, today we will do numericals of defect of vision of human eye. Now, first numerical, the far point of a myopic person is 500 centimeter in front of eye. What is the nature and power of lens required to correct the defect? Now, the defect is myopic defect. Myopic defect. It means a person cannot see far off objects clearly, but can see nearby objects clearly. It means, look at this diagram. It means the person who is suffering from myopic defect cannot see any object which is at infinity, and up to 500 centimeter a person can see clearly. Beyond 500 centimeter, the person who is suffering from myopia cannot see clearly. It means, what is object distance for myopic person? It is minus infinity. As you all know that object is kept on left hand side. Now, where object can be seen for myopic person? It is 500 centimeter. It means V is minus 500 centimeter for myopic person. Now, why I have taken it minus? Because object distance and image distance, where image is formed, they are both on left hand side. Now we will apply lens formula to calculate focal length. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. Now V here is minus 1 by 500 minus infinity is object distance here. So minus 1 upon infinity is equal to 1 by F. Now 1 upon infinity, it is not defined term, so it is 0. We cancel it, it is 0. We don't consider it. 1 by F. So what is focal length now? Reverse it. It is minus 500 centimeter. Now focal length is negative. It means, what is the nature of lens which is used to correct it? Nature of lens is concave lens. So concave lens with suitable power. So we will find out power now. Power is 100 by F. So power is 100 upon minus 500, and it is minus 1 by 5. That is, if we convert minus 1 by 5 into decimal, it will be minus 0.2 diopter. Now this is another numerical. The near point of hypermetropic eye is 50 centimeter in front of eye. What is the nature and power of lens required to correct the defect? Now defect is hypermetropic. Hypermetropic defect is there. It means, in this defect, a person can see far off objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects. I have made the diagram here. A person suffering from hypermetropia cannot read the book which is kept at 25 centimeter, but when he focuses the distance at 50 centimeter, it can be clearly seen. Image is formed on retina. Now what is U for hypermetropic eye? It is minus 25 centimeter. But where image is formed for hypermetropic eye, it is minus 50 centimeter. Again we will apply lens formula and solve it. So 1 upon minus 50 minus 1 upon 25 is equal to 1 by f. Minus 1 by 50 minus plus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. LCM is 50. So minus 1 plus 50 divided by 25 is 2. 2 multiplied 1 is 2 is equal to 1 by f. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 50 is equal to 1 by f. So what is focal length now? Reciprocate it. It is plus 50 centimeter. Focal length is plus 50 centimeter. So what is the nature of lens? Nature of lens is convex lens. Why convex lens? Because focal length is plus. Now let's find out par. So par will be equal to 100 by f, and it is equal to 100 by 50, that is plus 2 diopter. Diopter is the unit to calculate par. Now children, these are the numericals related to defects of vision. Yes students, I have taken 2 more numericals for further practice. Now here numerical number 3, the far point of a myopic person is 10 meter in front of eye. What is the nature and power of lens required to correct the defect? Now again myopic defect is there and a person cannot see infinity. So object at infinity cannot be seen, but its image is formed 10 meter away. So up to 10 meter a person can see. Beyond 10 meter a person cannot see. So again apply lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. Minus 1 by 10 minus 1 upon infinity is equal to 1 by F. So 1 upon infinity is undefined term, only 1 by minus 1 by 10 is left. Reciprocate it and focal length is minus 10 meter. So par is 1 by f in meter, that is focal length in meter. Now why I am using this formula? Because we got focal length in meter. So par is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10 and it is minus 0.1 diopter. Now par has come negative, it means nature of lens is convex lens. It is concave lens. Concave lens is used to correct myopic defect. Please ध्यान रखना ये. Concave lens is used to correct the myopic defect. So aspects with concave lens, they are used by a myopic person to see far off objects. Next numerical is the near point of hypermetropic eye is 75 centimeter in front of eye. What is the nature and power of lens required to correct the defect? So defect is hypermetropic defect, and you all know that near point of normal human eye is 25 centimeter, means this is object distance, but where a hypermetropic person can see clearly, that is 75 centimeter, and I have taken minus 75 centimeter and U is also minus 25 centimeter because they both are on left hand side. So again let's apply the lens formula. and solve it. Minus 1 upon 75 minus 1 upon 25 is equal to 1 by f. So minus 1 by 75 plus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by f. LCM is 75. 75 divided by 75, 1 minus 1. 75 divided by 25 is 3 and it is plus 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 75 is equal to 1 by f. Let's reciprocate it. It is 75 by 2, that is plus 37.5 centimeter. And what will be nature? Nature of the lens used will be convex lens. And let's find out power. Power is 100 by f. I am using the formula 100 by f because focal length is in centimeter. So 100, instead of 37.5 I will put 75 by 2 and reciprocate it. 2 by 75, 25 3s are 25 4s are, and it is 8 by 3, that is 2.66 diopter. So 2.66 diopter.